Are you stuck between GrapheneOS and LineageOS for your next Android adventure? Let's break it down, quick and simple, because your time is valuable and your phone deserves the best. Picture GrapheneOS as a high-security bunker. It's built specifically for Google Pixel phones. Sorry, Samsung and OnePlus fans, this one's not for you. What makes it special? Its kernel is seriously hardened, and it brings in memory-safe allocators, making hacking your device way tougher. Here's the kicker. It lets you use Google services, but in a sandbox. That means you can still run the Play Store, but without handing over all your private info to Google. Oh, and you can relock the bootloader, so your device's verified boot stays secure. Updates? They're lightning fast, sometimes even before Google pushes them. Now, let's talk LineageOS. Think of it as your cozy, customizable DIY cabin. It works on hundreds of devices, old and new, from ancient Samsungs to quirky Chinese brands. If you love breathing new life into forgotten phones, this is your playground. LineageOS ditches the bloat and gives you tons of UI tweaks, but you're in charge. Google apps aren't included unless you want to flash them yourself. The trade-off? Security isn't as bulletproof. Most devices need to keep the bootloader unlocked, which can cause headaches with certain apps, especially banking and streaming. So here's the bottom line. Choose GrapheneOS if you have a Pixel and crave top-tier privacy and security. Think journalists, activists, or anyone who just wants peace of mind. Pick LineageOS if you've got an older device or you love tinkering and customizing every detail. Either way, you're getting a cleaner, smarter Android experience, just tailored to your own priorities.